Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by stopping pop-ups at the source. Open your browser settings and enable the built-in pop-up blocker right away. This prevents most window-based ads. Next, install a lightweight ad block extension like uBlock Origin or AdGuard. These filter scripts and frames. Then go to Site Permissions and revoke notification access for any unfamiliar domains. Once done, restart the browser to apply changes and make sure your extension is active before moving to system-level steps. Now you clean and harden the system so pop-ups don't return. Run a full scan with a trusted anti-malware tool to remove adware and browser hijackers. Follow quarantine and removal prompts. Manually inspect extensions and remove anything you don't recognize, then reset the browser to default settings if pop-ups persist. Finally, enable automatic updates for both the browser and operating system to close vulnerabilities. This reduces the chance of script-based pop-ups reappearing. Finish with targeted checks and one key troubleshooting tip. Test browsing in incognito mode and in a different browser to confirm whether pop-ups are tied to your profile or the system. If the problem remains, create a new user profile or guest account and test. Persistent pop-ups there indicate system-level adware. As a final step, clear the DNS cache and reboot your router. This removes hijacked DNS entries. If pop-ups still appear, rerun the anti-malware tool and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.